So the next mudra we are going to discuss is a mudra that will help improve your awareness in the body. This was especially used by rishis and munis to activate their awareness, to increase their awareness, and to get information from anywhere. If you're someone who's stuck in a particular situation and you need much more information to make a decision, of course decisions are made based on information. If you don't have the required amount of information to make a decision, then you can practice this mudra and you will get the necessary information needed to make that particular decision, provided you are open minded. So to do this mudra, basically interlock your fingers like the Yoni mudra. Try to touch the middle finger with your thumb and then join your index finger. And so this is called Ananta prana mudra. As the name suggests, it helps expand your prana. It also helps expand your consciousness with by increasing your awareness in the body. So you can achieve infinite amount of intelligence using this particular mudra. Make sure you practice it while meditating. Make sure you practice this 15 to 20 minutes minimum time. You can also extend your practice by using this mudra. This will help you expand your consciousness. This will help you expand your energy completely, especially when you are on path of spiritual enlightenment. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video.